Guys, so today we're going to be doing a sunset eye look, and we're just going to go ahead and do it on this other eye. So first I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. Okay, once that's all primed, I'm going to be going in with the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade 815, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. So with this shade, I'm just going to go ahead and keep building it up to get it to the intensity that I want it to be, and I'm also going to flick it out into a wing. I'm going to go in with that shade Skip, and that's going to be right under my transition shade, and it's going to be into my crease. Just like the transition shade, I'm just going to go ahead and keep building that up to the intensity that I want and flicking it out. Now I'm going back in with that shade 815, and I'm just going to blend it into that shade Skip, just so there's no harsh lines. Next I'm going to be going in with the shade Escape, and this is going to go onto my outer corner and directly into my crease. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease into a half cut crease. Going back in with that shade Skip, and I'm going to be putting this on the middle of my lid and blending it into Escape as well. Next I'm going to be going in with that shimmer shade from the palette, and that's going to go right into my inner corner and my inner lid. And add lashes to this look, and you are done. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my attempt of a sunset eye look.